Oh, it's so cold. Why is the rain so cold? Oh, no!
Oh, my nipples are so cold. If anyone needs any glass cut, I'm your guy.
That's not helping that collection of people that I'm an advocate for. If you want to watch the full version of this video where we talk about other things getting erect, join the Patreon.
You fucking yobbo.
The noise of my bike against these walls. You actually look quite tanned.
Do I?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. You're so kind.
Stop it. We got stopped by the gendarmerie. It's 2023, I can be whatever gendarmerie I want. Right. Good evening, everyone. We are... Where are we? Chambéry.
Yeah. The old region of Cham.
Didn't pick up the second half of that. Just went Cham. Sort of not far from where we were the other day. We are, although we're, what, 3 days later? 2 days later? Something like that.
Something like that.
Haven't done much recording while I've been out here because we've been riding like dickheads. I mean,
really sensible, but it's all been really straight roads, so we haven't bothered recording.
Really straight roads, no no speeding or anything. So yeah, you know, we're just so sensible it hurts. We've done a few good days. Yesterday was a little bit average. Like the roads were alright, but they were just. I suppose we've been spoiled with the roads you would have seen in the last episode. So yeah, we didn't worry about recording. So get the beast started. We are. Where are we at the moment? Just north of Grenoble.
Yeah, why not?
Grenoble.
Well, we're just the other side of Chambéry, aren't we?
Chambéry. 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 Or Chambéry. And we're going to make our way up to Annecy from here. I mean, it's quite stunning scenery. If you ask me.
We've just been rained on, and now we've got this blisteringly lovely sun, so...
Blistering. Saint-Christophe and Saint-Pierre towards Chambéry. Again, it's another two and a bit hours, I suppose, to get here from where we're staying, but the house is free, so I can't really complain about doing a little bit of distance to get some really nice roads. The last couple of days we've done not a lot of travelling, like we've done 30k away from the house, and the roads have been absolutely sublime.
You'll also see that they absolutely love a 50 km/h speed limit around here.
Yeah, they do, don't they? Even on a really nice long road. 50. We've also worked out that I'm now fluent in French after 6 days. I ordered a coffee, a baguette, and
although
lemon
you
meringue.
may think you're fluent, but you ended up being given the wrong baguette.
Yeah, but I didn't ask for one without tomatoes, so basically if you say anything with an accent and enough confidence, it's correct. Le windy road, le mountain.
We got a pair of mopeds here. Oh, that two-stroke.
It does smell very nice, doesn't it? Just, you can hear the already.
Smells so good.
Je excusez.
I did downshift just next to him and it did go back.
See, you don't get this where we're staying. 2 massive mountains and a little village by the 2 massive mountains.
Yeah, but we did look at the prices of Airbnbs around this area if we wanted to do a couple of days here. We both just looked at each other and went, le no.
No. Did you say le no?
Yeah.
Le no. Yeah, on the border it was like 480 euros a night for like a cabin thing.
Yeah, I did find one for 2 and a bit grand that did have its own spa, which I was tempted with.
We are both completely minted and we could both afford 2.5 grand a night, right?
Which is why we're staying in a place 2 and a bit hours away from here for free.
Yeah. Holy shit, the bed balls. Look out. Have you looked off to the left? Where did this come from? Shit. Oh, that is incredibly blue.
Yeah, that is very slippery.
It's got to be done. Wow, okay. That came out of nowhere. You go from a random town to riding along a mountain in less than a kilometre.
Really tricky because, like, I know the roads are going to be phenomenal, but I just want to look at everything.
This would be a rather lovely place for an photo as well. Le bon.
Oh, she's a tight one.
First wheelie of the day. I mean, first change of contact patch of the day. Oh, that was a nice pop, Joseph.
I would apologise, but I'm not sorry.
You are female sorry, not male sorry.
That's a nice cabin.
I bet that's $2,000 a day. Oh my bejesus! You seen the mountain behind us?
Behind us? No, I'm trying to look forward, to be quite honest.
Far up to the left.
Oh my word! What, like,
it looks
crane
like,
your neck over to the left?
Yeah, like break your neck.
It is quite pointy.
It is. It's like a mini Matterhorn. Basically the same. What I'll do is I'll take a picture of it, put some snow on top, and it'll basically be Matterhorn. This is essentially what the entire time we've been here has been like.
Yeah. And it took us 5 minutes just to pick this route. We knew we wanted to head north, and we had a look at the map and went, those roads look a little bit wiggly, and they go through the National Park of Beauty, or however you're supposed to say it in French, because I'm not butchering that, because it's that pretty. And this is Google Maps as well.
Yeah, this is literally just going, yeah, let's go to there, let's go to there. And like, it took us 5 minutes before I started filming. And ready for the noise. Oh, le funny.
I'm just waiting for the day a Genderberry is just like waiting outside the tunnel for us.
All he will do is go, "Ah, your exhaust sounds so good."
He's just got a massive wet patch around his crotch.
Oh, muy bueno.
Right, so there's apparently a picture place which was behind us there, but how the hell you're supposed to get up there, I'll never know.
Sorry. This is stunning. This is almost very Swiss.
Yeah, I don't think we're that close to the Swiss border. I mean, I didn't actually check. Either way, we'll get up here somewhere and get a couple. Oh, Nederland.
Oh, you're from the Netherlands. That view in the rearview mirror. Oh my gosh.
He's about to take us down the same piece of road, I believe.
What is this? All this roadworks? Roadenwerken.
You notice they haven't like shut down the road and like phoned everything off. They've just gone, yeah, we're going to do a little bit of work here, so just mind us, would you?
Oh, lots of Netherlands. Look at this place. Oh, Jesus. I guess I could just pull over here and be a proper tourist knob. I'm going to take a picture of my bike in front of this view, because it is très bien. Go further up the road. That'll do. I cannot see something coming, I will cross the road. Probably should stop doing this accent, shouldn't I, at some point?
It's not like you're deliberately recording yourself.
Yeah, I mean, that's true. But, you know, maybe French people will respect my efforts.
I'm going to go with they probably won't.
Yeah, but you're pessimistic, aren't you? I'm going to say that they are very proud of me for trying. Just turned around. Turn around. Every now and then I get a little bit tired and
Turn around. To spoil a lovely view.
Oh, look at that. That is très bien, you turn.
Look at these huts.
I wonder how many thousands a night they rent for in the summer. Because they look all shut up, don't they?
Yeah.
So shut up. Shut up. This is right nice, this is.
Bloody
right,
lovely.
Bloody lovely.
Ah, isn't it lovely?
He's emptying his grey water on the floor. Could do with emptying my grey water, to be fair. I can't wait for these France episodes to be 40 minutes long and literally just be one road.
Well, it is all this section. Like, I think we want to come down here again. We just know that we have to head out here. Le Perouse et la Coche is
fluent. That town looks incredibly German. Do you reckon this is like...
But that sign is definitely French.
Alright, boss. Alright, boss.
Alright, boss.
I say for a bridge. Ah.
I wonder if it's got troubled waters beneath it.
Oh, get out.
That's for you over 40s.
Which is everyone that watches my channel. Those old boys, especially you, Dave Ashpole.
Good old Gashpole.
Gashers. He's just turned to his missus and gone, I'm not that old.
Right, you're not
Charges.
lying to anyone but yourself, though.
Go and put your Scala on charge. This is very niche banter for everyone else that's watching besides me, you and Dave. Look, that is the same view we looked at a minute ago, but from the other side of the valley. The valley.
Yeah. We were up there somewhere.
Cheers. Sorry. Oh, yeah, boy. How is it that the buildings look this run down and in disrepair, and there's sort of vehicles that are obviously fixing them up and in the process of fixing them up, yet the road surface is still better than my road going to my house?
You probably want to talk to Halvarssons agency about that.
Oh, the sun's come out! Restaurant and bar. Oh, they got fish down there. Do you reckon you get to pick out your dinner?
You get to get your rod out and pick your dinner.
Last time I did that, I got kicked out of a restaurant.
Just hopefully no gender marriage at the end of it.
Gender flare. Gender barry. Just giggling at your exhaust.
Yeah. It's every time I hear it through your comms.
Yeah. I wonder if you'll be able to hear that on the recording. To be fair, I feel like I've been incredibly lazy with filming this whole trip, but at the same time I've kind of just enjoyed not bothering. Sorry, people watching YouTube.
Sometimes you do actually have to, like...
Switch off.
Yeah. And, like, at least, like, you've had 2 days where you haven't had to worry about fitting GoPros, putting the, like, rerouting cables, putting a mic in your helmet, all of that jazz. You've just been able to go, I want to go for a bit of a blat on a bike. Love these little cars that they've got. It's a pickup.
What is that?
Brilliant.
Little K car. Love that.
It's like a Tonka toy.
This is so good. This road is so good. Have you seen how it looks in ahead of us?
Have I seen the way it looks, what?
Ahead of us.
No, because I can't see further
Oh,
than
you are
like-
going to be very, very surprised with happiness.
I am going to be erect.
Avec happiness. I've got a very small happiness. What is this? D285A. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What a superb bit of road. If you can find somewhere to stop, that would be great,
Yeah.
because the bit ahead of us looks amazing.
Stop, stop.
Stop, stop. Ja, das stop, stop. Oi, bumping bitter. Oh, do you know what I might do? Pass some
Have a
urine.
piss. Yeah.
Empty my grey water. That looks like a toilet anyway. There's a lot of beer containers in there. Why does it look like a prison? With a new roof on it. It's nice. Grass. Oh! Muy bien.